Hi, so today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert shapes on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section, simply type Google Docs and hit the insert button. That will take you into this page, and of course from here you just click at the first link. Make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. You will notice that by an AD icon here on the left of the link, and that will should take you into this page. If you are not at this page, make sure to look for other links, and let's say you are at this page, this will be even much better. If you are here, just wait. If you are here, you would like to click at the sign in option at the top right corner to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you will have to click at sign up for free to create your account. If you have a Google account already uh, linked into your browser, you that will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen, and from here you'll be able to start a new document, blank document, or just choose some of their templates right here. Or sorry, let me just refresh first of all, or just choose some of your recent documents if you have some here. For me, I'm just going to open a blank document here, and that will open a blank page for me. So here I would like to insert some shapes, as we said. So of course, if you would like to do that, we can just type, as you can see here, just add, and we would like to insert like a lot of stuff, or we can just go here and click at insert. Now I'm just going to go here to smart shapes. If you sorry that I got confused with shapes, so I would like to go here to drawing, and I can actually like insert some drawings if I want. I'm just going here, and I would like to draw whatever I want, like a line or a rectangle or whatever I want. And once I hit save and close, that will be inserts right here. Of course, there is other stuff. If you can look at inserts, I'll be able to insert like a table. I would like to insert charts and even emojis and horizontal lines, and of course some other stuff right here. So from this insert button, I can insert a lot of stuff. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.